guys, it is almost the end of May, which means it's time for our Petit Vour Plus box. So first, we're going to talk about last month's box, what I liked, what I didn't like, and then we're going to unbox this month's box. Goodness, it's been a day, okay? It's like 5 o'clock in the evening. Got the kids from school and all that. They're almost done. It's only a couple more days. So first, we got 2 products from 100% Pure. The first one was the sheet mask. I mean, it's good. It's a sheet mask. I've used it before. I really like that sheet mask. Would I buy it again? That's iffy because I find sheet masks to be very overpriced for just a single-use item. But I did enjoy it. It was a sheet mask. You know, it didn't do anything crazy, but it made my skin feel good after, and I felt pampered. The 100% Pure Lavender Body Butter, the French Lavender Whipped Body Butter. Oh, it was awesome. It was thick and creamy and luxurious. There was like a slight residue on after I used it, but I liked it overall. I think it was great. I would probably buy that again if I do like lavender. I like to have like a lavender bath salt and like a lavender bubble bath and lavender body oil. So I think I would add this to my rotation for when I really need some of that extra relaxation. I turn to lavender for that. The Rachel Couture Strawberry Lip Balm. It's fine. I gave it to my daughter. I think it's more of a gloss than a balm. And that's something that I think really needs to be addressed, is that you should not be labeling things as a lip balm if they're not really helping moisturize and protect your lips. I find there's a big difference between a lip balm and a lip gloss. This is more of a lip gloss, but it was nice. The smell was nice. It felt nice on the lips. And my daughter loves it, so that's what matters. The Sonara Kubaoku Seed Body Butter. I've used this before. This was my second time using this product. It is great, especially in the winter months when my skin is very dry. However, I find that this is really useful if you have really dry, cracked feet. I don't right now, but like, you know, sandal season's coming up, and if you are a little bit insecure about maybe your feet are not looking the prettiest, I think this is a really good one for that. It's thick. It's more like a balm than a butter. It does leave a residue, but I don't really seem to mind it too much, especially considering like I usually use this when my skin is at its driest, so I think it's fine. And then the Belle Pierre Precious 24 Karat Gold Serum. It's like a brightening vitamin C booster. It's fine. I've used this product before. This is my second time having this product. I don't really notice it doing anything to my skin. It does make my skin feel tighter, but I don't notice it brightening my skin. It does make my skin feel a little bit dry after, so if you have a tendency to have dry skin, if you do use this, I would put on moisturizer afterwards, just saying. But I mean, it was fine. I wouldn't buy it again just because I don't notice any spectacular differences. All right, and that is it for last month's box. Let's unbox this month's box. Da-da-da-da. Happy Meal Day! My goodness, this box was left outside in the rain, so like the box is all warped. There's all this information if you are so inclined. All right, let's see here. We've got another Upcircle product, guys. This is a face moisturizer. Okay. I've used more Upcircle products than I have in a very, very, very long time. So, a deeply hydrating, fast-absorbing face cream that nourishes and soothes skin, formulated with antioxidant-rich cocoa butter to moisturize and argan powder to protect. Apply morning and evening to clean, dry skin. Massage gently into face and neck. There is our ingredients. Yeah, we've had a lot of Upcycle products recently, so I have a whole collection. All right, next we have a perfume sample from, what is it, Maison Louis Marie? I don't know. This is number 4. Oh my gosh, I don't want to mess this up. Bois de Balincourt. Obviously, we're going to have to smell that when we can here. Here is the information. The top note is sandalwood, cedarwood, Mid note is, ooh, vetiver, nutmeg, cinnamon, amberwood. I don't know what vetiver is, but I'm excited to try that. I don't get a lot of perfumes just because I use body sprays more than anything. Oh no. Oh no, it's Fluency, guys. Oh no, it's another Fluency stick. You guys know how I feel about these. This is I Am Brave. Oh, it's another one of the multi-sticks, guys. Well, the last one I got, so the first one I got was eh. The second one I got was awful. It tasted like pennies. Smelled like pennies. I could not bear it. So we'll try it. I'm trying to be optimistic. We've got the Gold Fade and MD Eye Defy Radiance Restoring Eye Treatment. I forgot to show the stuff for the other one. I'll do that in a minute. There's the directions. Doesn't have ingredients on it. But for the Fluency, there is your ingredients. There is that. So I've used this before, and I've used this before. All right, what else we got in here? Oh, we do have something else here. This is a very large box for all these products, but last but not least, we have the Belle-Pierre Precious 24K Gold Purifying Milky Cleanser. Okay, so it's a cleanser this time. I do like that. We never get enough cleansers in our boxes, I feel like. I never get enough cleansers, and I never get enough facial moisturizers. So facial cleansers, facial moisturizers, facial toners I get from time to time, but I'm excited to see that there is actually a cleanser this time. All right, let's take it up. All right, guys, that was a very interesting box this month. I'm very excited to try some of these products. Obviously, we've already used this one. I liked it, but you guys know how I feel about eye cream. I don't really notice anything. It was fine. I didn't have any issues with it. It is a high-ticket item, though. Just this tiny bottle was about $28 because the full size is $86. That's pricey, especially for something that I'm just not, like, in love with. Now, I do really like the Gold Fade and Needleless Serum. I thought that worked really well. It did make my skin feel really tight and nice, like it was working. That is also very expensive. All of their products are pretty pricey. The Fluency Multi-Stick. Okay, so we're gonna try this on because I did it last time and I'm gonna do it again. So this one is a different color. It's I Am Brave. This is $32, guys, for something I don't use. That is a very dark red, but as we know, it is going to look different on. It smells weird, but it doesn't smell like pennies. It doesn't taste like pennies, and that is a gorgeous color, you guys. Oh my gosh. Like, even if I just use this as a lip, that is nice. Now, I don't know if I'll be using this on the rest of my face because it is a multi-stick, so you could use it on your cheeks and your eyes. This one is probably the best one I've had so far. This is my vibe because, listen, I like a nice red. They did have that, you know, more orangey one, and I do like orange, but the smell and the smell made me taste pennies, and I could not do it. Okay, Fluency, I might have to take back all the crap I talked about you. But yeah, so the Fluency is $32. The Belle-Pierre Purifying Milky Cleanser. So the full size of this is $73. So math, this is about a $15 bottle. The perfume number 4 Maison Louis Marie. The full size travel, which is like the little spray one like this, but it's like the full size, is $32. So math, this is about $4.50. It's a little cute guy, and we are going to try that on. And then the face moisturizer from Upcircle, I found it on sale. Also, this was on sale for $73. The full size was $73. It's more expensive normally. I found the Upcircle face moisturizer on sale for $23.80. Okay, let's try this perfume now because I'm dying to know. Oh, that smells so nice. It's like not quite feminine, but not quite masculine. It's such a good scent. Like ethereal, woodsy. It's like I'm a in a fey forest in the Court of Thorns and Roses series. That's what it makes me think of. No, it's actually quite nice. Like I said, it's not too masculine, it's not too feminine. I think this would be good for either or both, or neither. Yeah, that's a very, very nice sense. Whimsical and woodsy is what I would describe that as. Anywho, let's talk the full price here, guys. This whole box was $103.30. That is an amazing value. I'm quite excited about this box, actually. I can't wait to give this guy a try. And I'm shocked that I actually like this Fluency. Shocked. Because, you know, third time's a charm, right? Now, this is good. Maybe I just needed the right shade. I don't know. Love this perfume, but I'm going to wear it more and see if it just annoys me. I find it cloying, because sometimes when you put on a perfume or you smell a perfume, at first you're like, oh, that's nice, but then it gets to be too much. And I don't want it to be too overpowering and too overwhelming. And then obviously I've tried this, but we'll use it again. And the face moisturizer. I'll add this to my upcircle routine because I've got so much of it now. But yeah, that does it for this month's Petit Vour Plus unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. And make sure you stop in next month for our June box. Bye!